If you're still using a traditional, spinning hard disk on your PC, you're missing out many things. Solid-state drives SSD is one of the best upgrades you can make in terms of speeding up your computer. It'll boot faster, programs will launch instantly, and games won't take so long to load anymore. So it's better to use SSD instead of slower hard drives. That's why many people upgrading their slow-speed hard drives to faster SSD. While upgrading, people might need to clone their existing operating system to new SSD. In this video, we're going to show you how to clone Windows 10 to SSD without losing data. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. To clone Windows 10 to SSD, you need to prepare a few things. Obviously, in order to clone old Windows 10 to SSD, firstly you need to buy one SSD. Second things is disk enclosure or USB to SATA cable adapter, so that you can mount your new SSD for cloning process. After that, finally you need a powerful cloning software. That's it. With the help of 4DDiG Partition Manager, you can easily clone Windows 10 to SSD without reinstalling operating system. 4DDiG Partition Manager can easily migrate OS to SSD, upgrade to a larger disk, back up your important data, and lastly, it can also clone your hard drive to new PC. It will include all installed applications, documents, personal accounts, and settings. With simply 3 steps, you can clone or migrate your Windows 10 operating system to new SSD. Here's how to do that. To clone Windows 10 to SSD with 4DDiG Partition Manager, simply download and install 4DDiG Partition Manager to your system. Connect your new SSD after downloading and installing 4DDiG Partition Manager on your computer. Then launch the software and click on Start to proceed. On the main interface, select the target disk, new SSD, and then click on Start to go ahead. The source disk is selected by default. To proceed to the next step, click Sure and then Start to start the cloning process. Now cloning of your system will start under 4DDiG Partition Manager, and it will take some time to complete depending on the size of the hard drive. You can view cloning-related data such as speed, elapsed time, and much more. Now you have successfully cloned your Windows 10 to the new SSD. After cloning finishes, it's time to boot up old Windows 10 operating system using new SSD. Here's how to do that. Open the back portion of laptop and remove the old hard drive disk and insert the new SSD into the original slot. Now it's time to power on your system and press corresponding key to enter BIOS menus such as F2, F8, and delete keys. After entering BIOS menu, navigate to boot menu and choose solid state drive as startup disk and restart the computer using F10 command. That's it. Now you have successfully cloned your Windows 10 to SSD. Hopefully, you can able to clone Windows 10 to SSD using 4DDiG Partition Manager. To clone old hard drive, migrate OS, or take backup of your drive, we strongly recommend you to use 4DDiG Partition Manager. Subscribe to our channel if you want more useful tips. See you next time.